a giant seagull as big as a Rodan, mutated in an accident in a plant in Kazakhstan. His beak can snap a train in two, he's massive as can be. His wingspan's 12 times longer than the streets in Italy. Run for your lives! It's John Livingston Seagull. Run for your lives! The giant mutant seagull! From his mountain lair on Thanksgiving Eve. Then he vomits on the mountain in one giant big dry heap. Then he alerts the people with a screech deaf man could hear. That's when we lock the doors and grab the military gear. Run for your lives! It's John Livingston Seagull. Run for your lives! The giant mutant seagull! The people scream, the sirens flare, and children throw a fit as that stupid bird coats the place in its radiating shit. The smell is so repulsive it could kill Godzilla, and that's how we spent Thanksgiving in Transfatylvania. Run for your lives! It's John Livingston Seagull. Run for your lives! The giant mutant seagull. Here it comes. Ready? Aim!